Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine at home. Okay. You remember what was our last class? We were talking about articles. And I had taught you where we have to use one article. Which are the two articles which I had told? I told you that we have to learn two articles. Which are those two articles? A and an. What is this? A and an. I taught you where we have to use the article A. Where we have to use article A? Before all consonant letter words. Isn't it? Before all consonant letter words. I think you understood that. Isn't it? Now I am going to teach you where we want to use the article an. Look, this is a and this is an. Okay, this is a and this is an. How we will write an? A and n makes an. A, n makes an. Okay, these are the two articles. A is one article and an is the other article. Now I will teach you where we have to use the article an. Ready? Okay. Can you tell me which are the vowels? Yes, you have learned out of 26 alphabet letters, we are having 5 vowels. Which are those? Yes, look on the board. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Give a pat on your shoulder and say I'm very good. Yes, you all are very good, Makals. You all are very good. So now what we are going to do is, I am going to write some words on the board with all these vowels. Ready? You have to read along with me. Okay? I will put on the board. That will be better. I will write you look, all the words with these vowels are on the board. Right? Some are 3, some are 2. Look here. Look. Yes. You can see 3 words with A, 3 words with E, 2 words with I, 3 words with O, and 3 words with U also. Okay. Shall we read it? You have to read with me. Ready? Okay. We are going to read the words with A vowel. Ready? Okay. And. What is it? And. Then apple. What is it? Apple is next. Axe. What is axe? You know. What is axe? Play. Yes, you know that. So, and apple, axe. Right. Now we are going to read the words with E. Here are 3 words. Look at it. Yes. What is the first word? Egg. Okay. What is the second word? The biggest animal on the land. What is that? Yes, elephant. What is it? Elephant. Okay. Now look at the third word which we all have. Look, this one. What is it? Yes, I. What is it? I. We are having 2 eyes, but I am here writing only I. 1 eye. Okay. Then look at the words with I vowel. 2 words are there. The first one, please try to read it. It is something we will fill our pen. Ing. What is it? Yes, ink pot. What is it? Ink pot. Then the next word, Can anyone read it? Read it loudly. Insect. What is insect? What is insect? Butterfly is an insect. Honeybee is an insect. Housefly is an insect. Okay, dragonfly is an insect. Mosquito is an insect. Okay, so insect. Then now let us move on to the O words. Words with O vowel. Which is the first one? A bird which can see only at night. Which is that bird? Yes, owl. What is it? Owl. Okay. Look at the next one. A animal in the sea, which you can see in the water, which has 8 legs. It is called octopus. What is it? Octopus. What is it? Octopus. And the third word, it is a fruit. What is it? Yes, orange. What is it? Orange. And now we are going to look at the U vowel words. U vowel words. Okay, U vowel words. We are having 3 words here, and the first one, it is very useful nowadays because when it is raining, we used to take it when we want to go out. What is it? We will open it. What is it? Yes, umbrella. What is it? Umbrella. What is it? Umbrella. Then the next one, it is just an earthen pot. It is un. What is it? Un. What is it? Un. Then the next one, whom you can see in cricket match and all, behind that players, that man will be standing like this, wearing a cap and all. Yes, umpire. Why I didn't show you the pictures, you know, my dear Makkals? These all pictures are there in your textbook. Okay, I just want to make you read without seeing the pictures. That is why I didn't see you the pictures. For identifying the word, I had given you some clues, isn't it? Yes. So, slowly by slowly, you are base 2 kids and you want to start reading without the help of pictures. Right? Okay, so come to your class. What I was saying, I told you we will use the second article and, isn't it? I was saying you here we will use the second article and. We will use a article before all consonant words, before all consonant letter words, but we will use and before all vowel letter words. Okay, before all vowel letter words, we will use and. Understood what I am saying? മനസ്സിലായോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്? Consonant letter words, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാലോ കോൺസണൻസ് എന്താണ്? ആ കോൺസണന്റ് വേർഡ്സിന്റെ മുമ്പിലെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ എ എന്ന ആർട്ടിക്കിളാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ വൗവൽ ലെറ്റർ വേർഡ്സ്, വൗവൽ കൊണ്ട് തുടങ്ങുന്ന എല്ലാ വേർഡ്സിന്റെ മുമ്പിലും we will be using and. You got me? Okay, there are some exceptional cases. You don't have to go deep into that. Okay, there are some cases where we will use a and for both vowel and consonant that you don't have to learn now. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to put for all these words I am going to put an in front. I told you before all vowel words what will come? And. So I am going to add and before this. Ready? Okay, so here is I am going to add and for all the words. Right? Okay. So shall we read it together? Together shall we read? Okay. Look here. What is the first one? And. Say after me. Okay. an ant, an apple, an axe, okay, then an egg, an elephant, an eye, okay, an ink pot, yes, an insect, okay, an owl, okay, an octopus, okay, an orange, very good. Okay, here are the words with U vowel. Okay, U vowel. Which are the words shall we read? Okay, so we had put an with it, and shall we read it? An umbrella. What is it? An umbrella. The next one, an un. Then the last one, an umpire. An umpire. So my dear cuties, my dear kids, these pictures and these words with an article is there in your textbook. So you have to read it again and again and again. Okay, now you understood where we are adding an article and where we are adding a article. Right, before all consonant words we are using a article, and before all vowels, vowel letter words, we are using an article. Now there is a page in your textbook. I will show you. Here is that page. So we are going to read it. This is just for reading, just for improving. You know these words are this small. First there will be a word, then again adding one more word, then a small phrase will be there. So just for improving your reading. So read it thoroughly. Now you read with me. Can you see what is this? Yes, what is this? A cat. A cat. So look at the first line. What is it? Written a cat. What is it? A cat. Look at the second line. What is it? How is the cat? A fat cat. How is the cat? A fat cat. Look at the third line. What is it written? A fat cat ran. A fat cat ran. Okay, so you have to read again and again. Okay, now look at the second picture. You can see a hen here. So shall we read the first line? Yes, a hen. What is it? A hen. The second line, a red hen. What is the color of the hen? Red. A red hen. And the third line, you just look. A red hen lays eggs. A red hen lays egg. Okay, now look at the third picture in this. You can see a tin. You can see a fig on top of the tin. Yes, look, what is that? A fig. What is fig? You know what is fig? You might have seen, just like Attiparam. Yes, fig. A big fig. The second line is a big fig. Okay. Then the third line is a big fig on a tin. A big fig on a tin. Shall we read it once again? A fig, a big fig, a big fig on a tin. Then we will move on to the next picture. You can see a fox over there. X, foxes, and also a box you can see there. So shall we read it? Yes, a fox. An old fox. What do you mean by old? Old means apupen. Okay, vayasaya. Okay, an old fox. And the last line, an old fox in a box. Okay, shall we read it all the three together? A fox, an old fox, an old fox in a box. Okay, then we will move on to the last picture. You can see a bag over here, bag. Then look, here you can see a bat also. Then look, a bag, a wet bag. How is the bag? A bag is wet. What is wet? Nananya. Okay, a bag, a wet bag, a wet bag on a bed. Where is the bag? On a bed. Bud, you know? That is before flowering, before the plant before it comes, the first stage is a bud. Okay, bud, mutta. Apo, look here, the bug, yes, here you look, we will read once again. A bug, a wet bug on a bud. Okay, my dear kids, what you want to do is, you want to read it 5 or 10 or how much times you like, you read it. Okay, reading, you have to read it very fine, right? Okay, then only you can improve your reading. You got me? So, read it again and again, and we will meet on next class. Till then, bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.